Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a number using WhatsApp web. Okay, fast and easy. Okay, now, when you look at my WhatsApp, you realize actually it has some few things which you may not really have. The reason why is I'm using a third-party software. Okay, now before I go into all that, actually I'm using a third-party extension. Now, if you don't have any third-party extension on your browser, usually this is what I try to do. Okay, I went to this plus. Okay, you can see it on the top. On the top left, I clicked new. Okay, it's usually have a new chat. So when you click on it, it has a new group and new contact. Okay, when I clicked on new contact, WhatsApp told me like manage contacts from the web, and it told me to go to my WhatsApp to turn on a setting, go to WhatsApp contacts to start managing contacts from the web. So I went to settings. I went to those I went to my WhatsApp. Went to settings, which are those 3 digits. Then you click on 3 digits on your top right. Then you click on settings. Under settings, I went to privacy because I wanted to do this so that I can enable my WhatsApp web to be able to save contacts. So when I went to privacy, then contacts, under contacts, I couldn't really see anything apart from maybe blocked contacts. Okay, I thought maybe because I'm using business WhatsApp, but even if you use on WhatsApp, you realize actually you may really miss out finding that option. I think maybe some may be having it. If you have it, you can enable it, but in my case, I don't have it. So this really didn't help me from being able to save numbers directly on web WhatsApp. So what I did is I installed an app called okay, I'm going to show it to you. It's an extension which you can find in Chrome. It's called InTouch app, and I think even in Mozilla it may be there. Okay, it's called InTouch app for contacts and data saver. So this app is the one which has helped me for my WhatsApp to be able to actually save. If I'm in my WhatsApp, all I have to do is after installing it, it will add these extra features here on your left, as you see. Normal WhatsApp web doesn't have these two things and also doesn't have this here. So if you have installed that app, you can just click on this plus, then you just click on add new contact. Then you can just say, okay, this is Josh, whatever. How do you know them? You can put the number there. You can even actually select the, a list that you want. You can even save in his email. Then you can kind of actually click on save and chat. After saving it, it will synchronize with your phone, contacts and also your Gmail. Okay. Now, prior to this, someone may say, how is it going to redo that? Actually, you have to install this app on your phone. You have to search for this app. It's called InTouch app. You find it in Play Store and probably even Apple Store. You install it on your phone. Then also you kind of go to your Mozilla. Okay, you have to go to your Mozilla, I believe, and where do you go to manage extensions? Okay, then you can try to search for in-app. Okay, let me really do it for you. What I usually do is I just go to trying to find easier way. Okay, you go to your Chrome extension, then you just search in-app, something like that. You don't really have to search everything in-app. Okay, or you can just do in-app extension in Google search. I think this is much easier. Okay, because sometimes these icons can really confuse. So in Google, you just put in-app extension, then you click on it, then you can install it. I've already installed it. After installing it, they will show you the directions. Directions are simple. Install the app on your phone, install the extension here. On your phone, you have to go through the process of allowing the app to have permission. So try to do that. The app is safe, so don't worry about that. Then they have to ask you the number. You make sure the number that they're going to use is the same number that you use on this WhatsApp. Okay. Then they will send an SMS on that number. Then you retrieve. Actually, it automatically retrieves itself. Sometimes the app will try to call you, but the calls usually fail in my case. So I opted for option of SMS. Then after that, you have to create the account still on that app. Once it's installed on your phone, you have to create the app. Then you scan that app with this extension. There will be an option where you actually scan it. Okay. It will provide you with a scan QR code when you're doing actually the installation, something which I've already done. So me, I really don't see it. But it will provide you with that QR code. You have to scan it. So that's how it will synchronize your WhatsApp web with the WhatsApp which is on your phone. So that's how you can do it fast. So you'll be able to save contacts directly from your web.whatsapp onto your WhatsApp on your phone. So you don't have to use the phone to do that. So that is, I think, the easiest way you can do it. But most cases, it's really hard to do it if you don't have an extension or software. In case you have this video has helped you, you can leave me a like or you can subscribe on my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video, and bye-bye.